Hey again everyone, it's Kevin here with Hardscape Training Canada. Today we're going to look at some lighting details. So I really want to get into how to set up and make it so that these lights can be replaceable. So we're going to be setting conduit into our hardscape installation. Each and every light should have a conduit running to it so that lights can be fished through and new wire can be pulled if necessary. So you'll see conduit in underneath the prep work and set to the edge of the rock, just behind the face of the rock. You can see I have it color coded here as well, so that it won't be overly visible, and all of it will run back to a junction point, which will tie all of it together after. And we want that junction point to be hidden, so in this case we put it behind a little wall. And now we're ready to lay some stone, and at this point I would be setting the actual light. So let's just look closely here at what we need to do. So we're going to use a fish tape, run it through from the other side of the conduit, and I'm going to create a little loop in the wiring here for the light. And just note that if the wiring that comes with it isn't long enough to go all the way through, we're going to have to do some connections, and I'll show you that in a later video. So I'm just going to hook it through and pull the fish tape back so that the wire comes all the way out through the other side and can be connected up later. So from there I can actually set that in place. And here's just some bonus info here on how we would actually core through some stone and set some lights inset on the surface, which is kind of fun. Same idea, we just want to get conduit to each and every one so that we can fish our wire through, set our lights, and make something really special. Let me know if you have any questions. Talk to you soon.